Hi, and thank you for taking a moment to hear about our company. My name is Jerry Diza, and I'm one of the partners at MedSpa Bookkeepers. And I'd like to tell you a little bit about our company and how we started. So, I'm a business broker, and I specialize in selling medical-based businesses nationally. And I have a specialty in medical spas. And in fact, you can see our med spas for sale at www.pacificrib.com. So when I'm selling medical spa, the first thing obviously I'm going to look at is the tax returns and the profit and loss statement because that's what the buyer's going to look at and that's what the banks are going to look at. So if the numbers are out of whack, they don't make any sense, or they're just uh, not very strong, then we have a problem because I can't sell the business. And so my job is to obviously try to sell the business at the highest price and best terms for my clients. Okay, so again, the difficulty for me was I would come across some listings that had poor books and records. Okay, so the books weren't in order, so of course difficult to sell and get bank financing. So what I noticed was that the bookkeepers did not know how to counsel their owners on what to look for in the P&L, and the key performance indicators specifically were way out of order or way out of whack. For example, your labor costs when you look at your payroll expense, it shouldn't be 40% of your payroll, and I saw that very often. So that tells me that the bookkeeper, whoever's doing the books, don't really understand their business, and quite honestly, that's just out of whack for any business. But again, most bookkeepers aren't paying attention to the specific business. They're just throwing numbers together based on what they're gathering from the bank statements. Okay, and I also noticed that the owners didn't know how to read the P&Ls. So you have a bookkeeper that's doing the books, giving the owners the information, and the owners not knowing how to read the information they're receiving. So as a result, what would happen was that we would have med spas that were not performing at its best. Okay, because obviously, if you don't know your numbers, you're not going to know what needs to be improved and what you need to change in order to increase the performance of your med spa. Okay, so the solution for me was to start a bookkeeping firm that specializes in medical spas. So we've been doing this now for a little bit. We've gotten very good traction, and we've helped many people, many med spa owners, increase their revenues and increase the performance of their business. Okay, so let's talk about the solution. Okay, so understand your profit and loss statement. Your monthly profit and loss statement is like the dashboard to your car. Okay, when you start your engine up, hopefully you're looking at the dashboard and and it's telling you if you're low on gas or if your engine's overheating or if you're low on oil, et cetera, right? If the system's check. Well, your profit and loss statements are the same thing. It's a monthly, this is the dashboard to your med spa. Okay. So we set up your P&L specifically for your business. Okay. And then on top of that, we'll connect with you every quarter and interpret your P&Ls and your key performance indicators and tell you what we're seeing. Okay, we'll help you run your company more efficiently by analyzing your numbers. So we can guide you as to what can be done to increase your performance. So what's the difference? The difference is we analyze the key performance indicators of your med spa. Okay, so you're going to get a monthly profit and loss statement like this one on the left. You'll notice it's very specific to this med spa about the income, cost of goods. It'll also go into the labor costs and to the net profit. Okay, so we'll do a monthly analysis of your revenues per major income generator. So we'll go into your EMR and we'll extract the data and put it in a monthly spreadsheet so you can see how your numbers are doing in terms of your revenues every month. Okay. And of course, on top of that, we'll break down your cost of goods so you can make strategic changes if you need to. All right, if your cost of goods are off and it's off by even by 5 or 10% at the end of the year, that's a heck of a lot of money. Okay, because we know that your cost of goods, you're spending a lot of money on your cost of goods, right? So same thing with labor expenses. Okay, we're gonna break down, we're gonna analyze your labor costs every month, and we're gonna break it down by provider and non-provider, and we're gonna see how you're doing month to month. Okay, so we'll discuss your net profit margin and inform you as to how your business is doing and what you can do to improve the performance. Okay, so these little changes throughout the year make huge differences at the end of the year. Okay. So think of it this way, right? If you're doing, let's say you're doing $1 million a year in revenue, okay, and then if we can help you increase your revenue or save your expenses by even 10%, that's $100,000 that you would have saved. Okay, but again, you've got to have the right data to be able to do this. And again, most bookkeeping firms have no clue of how a med spa works and where their numbers should be at. Okay. So at our company, we're a little different. We have a guarantee. We guarantee that we're going to improve your numbers year over year. Okay. And so our monthly fee is a flat 795 for most single unit med spas with one tax return. Okay, so uh, we have a full money back guarantee with our for our services. We guarantee that we will save you our yearly bookkeeping fees and more. Okay, if you follow our suggestions or full money back guarantee. Okay, we're that confident of our services and what we can do. So, and we know that no other bookkeeping firm can guarantee your results because they don't know your business like we do. So this is just a little bit about information about us. If you'd like to discuss more about your specific situation, please reach out to me. You can email me at jerry@medspabbookkeepers.com or call or text me at 949-427-0304, or feel free to come on and check us out on our website at www.medspabbookkeepers.com. Looking forward to hearing from you.